Hello, crafters. This is Designed by Denise. I'm coming to you today. I'm making a wine holder and a coaster for a gift for someone. And you would need your part B. I've already poured the part B. And you would need part A. And whatever color you would like to use. The person wants red for their friend, so I'm going to use the acrylic paint. I got this from Michael's. I can't remember how many was in there, maybe about 30 or 40 of them for about 20 bucks. And I got this today at Walmart. Correction, actually, the Dollar Tree. And so I'm going to see how this works versus the popsicle stick. And I probably need to wipe this off because it looks like glitters on it for some reason. Okay, so my epoxy says to pour A into B. So I'm pouring A into B. Make sure you get much out as possible so you can have equal parts of A and B. And I tried this wine thing, I think this is maybe my third time making it. My first time, the wine holder bent, and then I saw on Facebook that you need to let it set for 10 days, which that is, to me, a long time for it to cure, I guess. But I made a red and green one for my sister for Christmas, and that one didn't come out bad at all. I just didn't really like the way the colors swirl, but the hardness was fine. If you hear my dog in the background barking, I apologize. I don't know what's wrong with her today. She's been barking, probably maybe because I ain't paying her no attention right now. I think I kind of like this silicone spatula though. It's a little better than the popsicle stick, and you don't have to worry about your, I guess, your fingers trying to get a little bit of sticky because the popsicle stick is a little shorter than this. I think that's all I probably can get out of here. My the instruction says to stir this for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm about to stir it for 3 to 5 minutes. This is the tedious part I hate, because it makes your arms tired. And you should stir it until you can see through it so it won't be cloudy. I don't think I like the silicone spatula getting it out, but stirring it is a little weird. Hope you guys are having a great night and had an awesome day. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm just starting out. I've been saying for a while I wanted to do a YouTube channel, and that was really my 2021 New Year's resolution. So I'm starting early, so hopefully I'll continue in 2021. My arms are hurting already. And I don't even think I've been stirring a minute yet. Make sure you get like on the sides. I'm gonna switch hands. See, my clock said I've been stirring for 2 minutes. I don't know about that. Hello. He's fussing at somebody outside. It should be stirring until you probably see no bubbles. We use that stir from 3 to 5 minutes, and I let it sit a little bit. I've seen someone do that. I've seen someone heat it up a little bit for the bubbles to go away. Seen somebody take the heat gun and kind of tap it. But whatever works for you, you should try it, because this is a little tedious. I like the silicone to getting this stuff out, but I don't like stirring it. Once again, I apologize for my dog. She is barking at somebody who's walking by. Hopefully I made enough for both of these. It might not be enough. Check the time. I need to buy a stopwatch. Oh, I gotta put my stopwatch on my phone. I didn't think about that. I think it's 6 minutes. I'm gonna stir it a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna let it set. Okay, I'm gonna let it set. I'm gonna show you guys what I found at Dollar Tree today, which people are using for I think the Mocha Powder to put in their resin or epoxy. So they're using this instead of Mica Powder. Is it Mica Powder? Mica Powder? Yeah. So I found this purple one. They had like a brown or gold kind of, but of course purple is my favorite. So I chose to get this one. This is grape. It's called grape jelly. So I'm gonna try this probably tomorrow and see how it turns out for my BFF. And I'm gonna count the drops I put in because I don't know if I'm gonna have enough to do both of these, so like the color can be the same. One, two, three. These will be some big drops. Ooh, that's a pretty swirl. Pretty swirl. It's pretty swirl. It's gonna be for a guy, so I don't want it really to be too light. And the person doesn't want any glitter, so we're gonna see how this gonna turn out. Kind of. I think I want another drop in it. A drop or two. Juicy hush. There's nobody outside, girl. You making all that noise. She's spoiled. She's spoiled riding, but that's my baby. I can hardly see the bubbles with the red in it, but we gonna see. And if you're just getting started, YouTube is your best friend. I YouTube a lot. Join groups on Facebook. They're helpful too. Trying to see if I want to invest in a camera. I'm actually using my iPad. I used my phone the last time to take to do the video, and then when I went to send it, it was too big for the email. I had to send it to my Google Drive, and it took forever to download, and now I don't have any space on my Google Drive, so I'm going to try this on the iPad. I'm going to let it set for a little bit, and then we're going to pour and see. I guess this is... maybe too dark. I was wiping the silicone spatula off. Try to get most of it off as possible. I'll wipe it off. Tissue. I don't like getting the epoxy on my gloves because once you touch something, that gets on everything. My mom just said, "What is she barking at?" I don't know what she's barking at. I don't think she knows what she's barking at. Alrighty, it's time. Probably time to pour. I see a little bubbles, but the technique of spraying alcohol on it after 5 minutes actually works. I'm gonna do this one first. think that's all I'm having just enough just to do this. Maybe that's. Actually, that worked. I think that might have worked perfect. Let me see. Might have worked out perfect. I think that might have worked perfect. I think I measured that out. And I like using the Dollar Tree cups because you have lines, so you can get a better judgment of pouring your A and B so they can be even. I bought measuring cups, but I realized I had to wash them out, and the epoxy, I think, messed up my garbage disposal. So I'm back to square one. I think that's gonna be it. And with this, you can just throw the cups away, and you don't have to do extra by washing. And the silicone actually kind of washes off pretty neat. So I got the mold from Amazon. Got my epoxy off of Amazon. And I think that's it. Thank you guys for being patient with me. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I will see you the next time. Be cute and fabulous.